Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to have a coding exercise that have local and global variables together in one example. So if a local variable has the same name as a global variable, the function will use the local variable. For example, I'm having a global variable called number and it is equal to 10. Then I'm having a function called modify number, and I'm using the def keyword. In this function, basically, I am initializing a variable called number and it is equal to 5. Then it is going to print this variable number for me in the output. So I call in the main part, I call this modify number function. So it is declaring and initializing a local variable called number, and it is going to print its value, which is 5. And then I'm printing out the outside function, and then I'm trying to print the global variable number. So when I run this code, I see that inside function equals 5. So we see it here, inside function, the number variable equals 5. The outside function, the number variable equals 10. And the reason is why in this function now we are not accessing the variable number which is global. The reason is that we didn't declare global number and then start modifying, for example, number equals, for example, 10. This is why when we are not typing down this line of code, when we are typing down only the declaration of a variable like number which has the same name as the global variable, it is going to consider it as a local variable. However, if I comment this part and I have this part right here and this part right here, I'm using this line for the declaration of the global variable inside my function, and then I'm having this global variable equals to 20. So now the global variable has been modified to 20. So when I run this code, I see inside function the variable is 20 and outside function the variable is also 20. So this is very important to use the global number creation and declaration of the global variable inside the function if we want to use this global variable inside of the function. Otherwise, if we just type down the declaration without the global keyword, it is going to consider that you're declaring a new variable, a new local variable inside of this function. So this is why when I'm having only the declaration equals to 5 and then printing out the number variable, it is printing 5 for me in the inside of the function, but outside of the function when I'm printing the number variable, it is accessing this global variable. Thank you for watching.